From weed detection to pesticide applications, drones are becoming a popular tool in agriculture. The Division of Agriculture is using drones to help Arkansas rice farmers improve irrigation efficiency. Conventional rice in Arkansas has traditionally been flooded using a cascading flood system, where the highest paddy is flooded until the water flows into the lower paddies. However, this often leads to over-irrigation and wasted water. With multiple inlet rice irrigation, or MIRI, growers run a pipe through the field and flood each paddy concurrently, a much more efficient approach that saves growers water, fuel, and money. Irrigation educator Mike Hamilton is using data from drone footage to help farmers improve their MIRI systems. Data like elevation and acreage in each paddy is pulled from drone imagery and eventually used in irrigation planning applications like Pipe Planner from Delta Plastics or rice irrigation from the Division of Agriculture. The data collected by drones has helped Arkansas rice growers save money, irrigate more efficiently, and reduce risks on their operations.
So conventional rice irrigation, we cascade the water down from the top to the bottom, going the elevation from the high to the low. In multiple inlet rice irrigation, we do the exact same thing, except we run poly pipe from the water source all the way down through every paddy so that we're putting water in each paddy simultaneously out of that water source. Every 40 acres of 1-inch rain is equal to 1 million gallons of free water. And that's where MIRI is hitting home runs.
We'll use his drone recordings and then download all the information into a pipe planner program. It can calculate the pipeline that goes around the field and how many gates to put in. And after he figures out the acres in each levee, one gate may be open a fourth of the way, next gate might be open half.
With MIRI, you can manage your rain. You're treating every paddy the same. So if you get 1 inch rain, you get 1 inch rain in every paddy. What that means is we run almost nothing out the bottom of our fields. The cost savings of this, I would say at a minimum, I'm at 35 to 40% almost every year. And some years, if you catch the rain timely and get lucky, we might be 50, 60% cost savings on water usage.
Where the drone increases the accuracy is that it floods it with data. A traditional surveying equipment, you may get 400 reference points to an acre. With a drone, you're getting 500,000 reference points to an acre. I can do a digital survey map of the field, and you can see each and every furrow going up and down. You get to see that much detail with the drone. Everybody's walking around with a supercomputer in their pocket. And now with AI, there's nothing you can't find out. I don't think we're going to go back on drones. They're not going to replace ag pilots, but they will complement them 100%. If they can make us more efficient on the farm and using our natural resources like our water, that's a home run. So anything we can do to conserve and be better stewards of our environment, the better we're going to be. And I promise you, drones, all technology is going to be part of that.